Guys, welcome to another video, and today I have two Xbox controllers. These I brought faulty. I buy controllers all the time, to be fair, because I can work pretty easy on them if, you know, there's only simple things wrong with them. If it's trace damage, it can be done, but it's a lot harder than what it should be. Let's have a look. Oh, this one's got a missing screw for a start, so somebody's been in this one. Oh, and that's bent as well. Oh god, they've bent that too, so I've got to sort that out. As you can see, it's been bent, but it's not in bad condition. I mean, there's a little, somebody's tried, yeah, you can see somebody's had, look, you can see somebody's had this open before and really just not give a damn about how they've opened it. But the port's there, that's a good sign. The jack's there, the other port's there. It's a bit loose here as well, so I'm not sure what's going on with this one. That's that one. To be fair, I do have a couple of spares, so I might be able to, if not, I can just wait. If as long as it's got a good board, I can just wait until a decent case comes along. I'm not fussed about that as much. Oh, right, this one's got the screw in. Somebody has had it undone because the sticker's missing. Usually that's a telltale sign. If it's been opened before, if the sticker's missing or it's got a hole where they've tried to protrude through the sticker to get to the screw. That's how you normally tell if somebody's been in it. They're fine. Ports there, a bit of a scratch there. I mean, condition wise, they're a bit of wear. Somebody's been in this one. Well, we know that from there, but somebody's been in this one too. You can tell. Just like you can always tell as well, people just prod screwdrivers and stuff in them and usually damage it. Here as well. The jack port's missing on this one as well. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug them in. I'm going to plug them up to the PC, see exactly what buttons do work. I mean, they all feel like they're there. There's no batteries. I've got a spare battery. So, yep, all them buttons feel okay. Yep, I'll set them up to the PC and we'll see what's going on with them. Hi guys, this is the joypad tester I use. It's gamepadtester.com. I will put the link in the description, but just Google that gamepad tester and it'll come up. I've plugged in the USB into the Xbox controller, into the first one. Drifting, as you can see, slightly, so that might need cleaning. That one seems to be fine. Oh, that one just stuck a little bit then. There you go, that's sticking, so we're gonna have to look at that. There you go, yeah, that's sticking for some reason. This is the one with the missing jack plug, so this could be one of them where somebody's used it for bits, but we'll see. So that's that one. This is number 2. Oh, this one vibrated straight away. Xbox 3. It must just come up as Xbox 360 controller, but that one's working. Oh, that one's got a bit of pad drift, but it's working. So they're working. This one's just got a bit of pad drift on the left hand side, so that ain't too bad. Hi guys, back here again. Yeah, so if I remember rightly, this one needs both of these and that's sticking. And this one, I think it was just this. I think this was, yeah, the one with the jack plug, yeah. It was just this drift pad, drift on the left analog. But this one's got screws missing, so I think I've got a few spare screws lying about. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave that one up there. That's the case. Yep, there you go. Damaged. That's cracking. That's pretty much scrap, that is. It's a shame because it's not in bad condition. I mean, I might be able to fix it. Might be able to, I don't know. It's not really worth gluing because it's just going to fall apart again eventually. Such a shame. And this is the problem with buying joypads off eBay, is especially when you see like on eBay where there's 10, 12, 15 of them, you know for a fact that somebody's used them for parts basically to make good ones. Now with that, I think it's just sticking. It seems to be clicking. That's why the vibration's not working. I can't remember if the vibration did work on this one, but that's why on the one. But to be fair, I can resolder these anyway. Now these are clipped in, so all you gotta do is, I've got a pair, actually I should get a flat screwdriver. All you've got to do is, when I get the right screwdriver, I'll just put that in there. Now I have desoldered these, so it should just clip off. I mean, yeah, there you go. That's a potentiometer, as you can see. Let's have a look at it. Take the little clip out. I don't know if you can see that. There's the little clip. Yeah, don't know. I've got some new ones anyway. This is the ones I've got. Brand new. They are the same, and they should work. Should just work absolutely fine. And then all you do is just clip them in there. It's a little bit stiff, but I mean, you can tell a difference straight away. The D-pad, just with that one in. The analog stick, sorry, clips in like that. Yeah, that's loads better. Right, let's get it soldered. The red one's come off now. That's the only problem with these. When you mess with them too much, the wires start coming off. Oh God. I just realised as well, this is bent. This is the one with the bent. I mean, that's pretty much. I mean, they're really flimsy, so that would really easy to bend. I didn't even have to try that. Didn't even have to try hard to bend that. Right, with the battery, as somebody didn't do it before, just gotta make sure the battery. Just gotta make sure. That's it. There you go. See, and that's in there. Now, what they did before is they didn't try that. So what's happened is it bent outwards. Let's just do that a second. There you go.